Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to add the Wakanda Inu token to your Trust Wallet account. So now this is the dashboard. So you click on this icon here on the top right corner, and then you scroll down to add custom token. Then by then you have copied the contract wallet address of Wakanda Inu token. Then you change the network to smart chain, and then you paste the copied contract, and the Wakanda Inu token appears, and you click done. When you click done, you have your Wakanda Inu token appear on the dashboard. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.